Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome back again, and today is a big day guys, just a surprise for you here. Oh my gosh, I don't know how to express my feeling guys. So finally I received my silver play button guys, only today, and I'm just so curious to share the video and to unbox this, like, because I am not only you guys, myself, I can't wait to see it. Is it real or fake, guys? I just received it here in India, guys. So I just want to say, first of all, thank you so much, guys. Thanks to everyone, the 100K family. Thanks to everyone, the friends and the family, whoever supported me along way until this journey, guys. I'm really so happy. I know thanks is not enough for you guys, but this is all I can say, and I'm just so happy. I'm really so happy, guys. I don't want to be specifically because I know there is a lot of people who really stood by my side. Maybe I might mention some, and maybe I might forget to mention others, but I just want to say thanks, everyone. Just know if you're part of this 100K subscriber, let's watch what we got. Let's do it. Wow, YouTube. Let's do it. Yo. Okay. First part is open. Wow. I'm so curious. I'm so curious. I want to see what is there. What we got. Okay, let's do it, guys. Let's do this. Yeah. So, are you ready? Let's go. Bamba clap. Wow. This is the first thing you will get. So I don't need it. Sorry, bro. And we have here a card. So I don't know what they wrote here in this card. It's like, congrats on your subscribers milestone. We are honored to take a part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with a great care by Rick. Thank you, Rick. So if your award was damaged during shipping, or if you have any question, please contact us. Okay, that is the YouTube creator. In case if anything goes wrong, guys, you can contact them. And I just want you to know that YouTube people are so supporting, guys, because I will tell you one things which actually happened about my channel. Like, my channel got hacked before. I will tell you how I managed to get it back. Just know YouTube people, they are so real and they are so supporting. I will tell later. For now, just relax. This is not what we are here for. So the next thing is here, guys. So what we got, the next thing is another kind of a letter from the YouTube people. Can't you see it? Can't you feel it? Yes. So let's read this. Do you remember your first subscriber? Who is my first subscriber, guys? Do you remember yourself? With me, I don't remember, but I think, I don't know. I think I was my first subscriber myself, but I don't know. Let me know who is my second subscriber there. So do you remember your first subscriber? Your hundreds or your thousand subscriber? That's a question mark. But I can say yes, I remember a lot of my subscribers, guys. I can't mention them, but I remember them, and from where they're staying also. From, like, most of them, they are from India, guys. I'm so happy. Thank you so much, Indian people, and especially the Northeast people. Wow, you know yourself. If you're from Northeast, let me know from where you're watching: Meghalaya, Nagaland, Mizoram, Assam, or where in Northeast. Yeah, you all know yourself. And so, chance are you do so. And we know that you will definitely remember your 100K subscribers. Sure. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learn about you through a friend, or maybe you showed up as a recommended video. Okay, no matter how they came to you, to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you have built. We are proud to honor your impressive milestone of reaching 100K subscriber with the silver creator award. Yeah, congrats. So we know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity, hopefully. Amen. So keep creating, keep building. We cannot wait to see what you will do next, and we are here to support you along the way. And who knows when you reach your millionth subscriber. Are we ready for that? That's a question mark. So we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100K or your 100K subscriber? So you are sincere. We have Neil Mohan, YouTube CEO. This is from the YouTube CEO. In case you don't know the YouTube CEO, this is Neil Mohan. Okay? Yes, with the signature. Thank you, Neil Mohan. Let me now go to the what we are waiting. This is what we are waiting for. Ta-da, 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 ta, ta-da, ta-da, ta. Choo! Bumper clap. Up a look, up a proper look, guys. Up a proper look. Yes, that is it. Come out, baby. Come out from this box. Come out, baby. Come out from this box. Come out, baby, from this box. This is what we got. This is what we got for you guys. This is what you guys gave me. So you should be the first one to see it and read the name properly. Do you read it properly? Read the name properly. You guys gave this sheet to me. Because of you all, I got this today in my room. Oh my goodness. See it properly, guys. Yeah. This is presented to Gabs Gabi for passing 100K subscribers. Oh my God. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks to God. Thanks to all. Thanks to family and friends for trusting me, for believing in me, guys, because being a YouTuber is not something easy, guys. And where I still remember when I started my journey, guys, there is few friends also who didn't believe in me because they, like, for sure, some people will doubt you because they don't know you. So the only message I can say to you guys, if you're doing any business, any whatever things you have it, any dream you have, you're dreaming to achieve it, just first important things, the trust in you, have the trust, believe in yourself, your God. Don't forget also, keep praying and the consistent, and that is enough, guys. Then they will see you here holding the achievement, guys. Oh my goodness. Wow, 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 wow. I can see myself. I can even do the makeup now. I don't need mirror. I have this. You don't need mirror, guys. Do you see yourself there? Yeah. So let me just meditate for 1, 2, 3 seconds, and then I can speak to you guys. Okay, so I made it with most of the viewers and subscribers from India, guys. So thanks to you all once again, guys. And just know that I am so happy to be verified or recognized as a YouTuber internationally, worldwide, guys. This is really a big thing, not for me only, even for my country, for my village people, and for all the viewers and subscribers who are watching here. But there is only one thing I just want you to know, guys, also, because this is something also I'm facing and I'm not happy with it in my journey with YouTube, guys, because some people might think, yeah, for sure, most of my viewers, they are really supporting, they always watch my video, but because I'm staying in India, guys, like the payment or the revenue that I'm generating from YouTube is not really that good. Honestly, it's not that good. I'm not happy with it because India revenue, the payment that YouTube pay for every country, it is different, guys. So just know that if you are a YouTuber, especially YouTubers, they will understand this. But if you're planning also to do a YouTube, guys, just know based in India, it's really so hard to make money with YouTube. But when it comes to supporting, like, people can easily support, they can subscribe to you, but the revenue is so down. I'm not saying you will not make money, but you need to generate more views, which is sometimes really hard for the beginners, or for the beginners of YouTube to make that. So it's really hard, guys. So I'm also letting you know, guys, maybe very soon will I might start traveling to any other country, because for sure we all want to enjoy the fruit of our business, right? So what I mean that I also want to experience and to travel to any other countries and to see their payment, guys, because a lot of my other YouTubers, they suggested for me other countries like Nepal, like the neighboring countries of India, the Asian countries. The payment are really higher compared to India. I don't know why, but I can say due to the population or what. But YouTube sometimes is very complicated to understand. But just know that the revenue is very less compared. Like for example, if 1K views is if 1K views in Nepal is $1, in India it might be 0.05, like that. Very less, guys, I'm telling you. And this is all of my experience, guys. I'm really so happy. Just have a look of my cute baby girl, the new baby here. Oh my gosh, all because of you guys. I'm so happy, and God did it again, guys. So all the best for everyone who is doing YouTube and any other business and career, guys. So wishing you all the best. And I just want to tell you also, like before, guys, I just want to say God did it again, because you know, guys, 1 month back, guys, I lost my channel. Like my channel got hacked, guys. So if you are a YouTuber of or maybe if you like social media, make sure, guys, to be so strict and keep your it's not only for YouTube, even people who have bank account, guys, keep your detail with you, very important. There is a lot of scam and hackers that used to happen, guys. So I lost my channel 1 month back, guys, and just I want to say thanks to YouTube, guys. YouTube managed to give my channel back after I claim and I proved to them that was my channel. You can go and watch that video. I made one separate video, guys. So all what I want to say, make sure keep your password, your information very safely, and stop clicking on any random emails and links from the people that you don't know, guys. So that it's very hard. Sometimes it was really hard to get my channel back, and I just can't believe my channel by that time it was 90K subscribers. Just imagine 10K only left to receive this. Just imagine what if I didn't get it back. I won't be showing you this, but thanks to YouTube, thanks to everyone, to all the subscribers, guys, thanks to family and friend. Wow, God bless you all, guys. Love you all. Which song you want me to sing? First song is for the creator, for the believer, for the savior. It's like when Jesus say yes, nobody can say no. When Jesus say yes, nobody can say no. Whoever God you believe on, if your God say yes, just know that nobody will say no. So have the faith and believe in your God. You are hard work, consistent. That is all, guys. Keep doing that. And another song is for my people. Jolly, jolly, oh, jado, jado. Goodbye. We are going to eat jolly jado, guys. I can't wait to go and eat jolly jado with my friend. Jolly, jolly, oh, jado, jado. Kupachina na yo. Thank you so much, guys. See you next time. Make sure to drop any kind of doubt or any advice or something that you would love to know or me to tell you, guys. You can reach me out on Instagram, Gabs Gabi. This is my channel name now, Gabs Gabi. You just need to search Gabs Gabi everywhere, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. You will find it there. Gabs Gabi, to the world, officially recognized YouTuber from South Sudan, Africa. Bamba Club.